This bundle pairs four 6 1/2-inch marine speakers with a matched 4-channel amplifier, so the system feels balanced and powerful right out of the box. The speakers use a true coaxial layout with a dedicated tweeter, which helps vocals and high frequencies stay clear even when the boat is moving and wind noise is high. Beat-responsive red and blue lighting built into the speaker grills adds a fun visual element at night while still looking clean during the day with the included black and white covers. The amplifier is purpose-built for harsh marine use with a coated circuit board, corrosion-resistant heatsink, and stainless steel hardware that stand up well to salt water and sun. A dynamic crossover section and solid power reserves from the amplifier give you strong mid-bass and smooth highs without needing a lot of tweaking for most installations. The included marine-grade wiring kit with tinned conductors and waterproof fuse holder makes it straightforward to install everything neatly and reliably on a boat.